to today's video, which is my Charmed Power of Pan project pan update for February for you. This is of course a Pantastic Ladies collaboration created by myself for the Pantastic Ladies, but anyone can really join in if you want. I will leave all the information you need in the description box below this video, so please do check that out before you leave. So I have no rollouts this month, which is a damn shame. But I have been working hard on some products even. I've been working hard on a lot of projects, but we're talking about this one today. Let me just go, as we have no rollouts, I'll just go from the top of the list to the bottom and see where we go from there. So for Prue, who has the power of telekinesis, the prompt was to move something out of your collection. I wanted to move this Lime Crime liquid lipstick in cashmere out of my collection because there really isn't much left of it, and it shouldn't be taking me this long. We've already been doing this for what, 4 months, 5 months. I had the intro and then this is the 4th month after, so you know, I've been working on this for quite some time, and I'm still up here. I'm still just there because I haven't been focusing on it. I've used it once once all month, so it's gone from 10.86 to 10.84. This has to be a priority for this next month. I am not leaving it in my collection any longer. I have decided that I want that one, and I want the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick that is also in another project pan to be out of my makeup inventory by mid-year. So that has to go, it has to be a priority. So hopefully next month it should be an empty. The next item is for Phoebe with the power of Premonition, something that you predict you'll love. I put in this beautiful eyeshadow here from Lethal Cosmetics. It's in the shade Scarab. Absolutely stunning, so beautiful. There it is on my finger. There is a beautiful swatch of it. I don't think the camera's doing it justice. But I've only used it the once, and I kind of only just dabbed it on to the middle of my eye look, so I didn't really use a lot of it. So it went from 3.34 to 3.32. This is in for 10 uses. So far it's had 4 uses. This was its 5th use this month, so we are halfway there. Hopefully I'm very close to hitting goal on the project pan that this eye look is being created from. So once I've hit goal on what this eye look is trying to do, then I will move on to the blues in my Pan That Eyeshadow, and so hopefully I'll get more uses out of this product then. For PAIGE, something you can use alone or with other products. Just ignore the sounds in the background of my videos. My cat has the zoomies constantly, all the time. Don't get a kitten. is the lesson I've learned. They are on something. So I got this clear lip gloss. Well, it was clear. It's now no longer clear. It's from W7, came out of the advent calendar. It was full, and now we're down to here. So this has gone from 7.09 to 6.51. This is in a little baggie that I keep next to me when I'm reading and editing on the computer. So I just reapply this throughout the day. The next item I've been working on is for Leo White Lighter, a glowy product. I picked my number 7 limited edition multi-purpose stick. It's basically a stick highlighter. I have just that much left to go, not much at all. I've used this 11 times this month, 11 times in the last month. So it went from 23.83 down to 23.50. Plenty of usage there. I do still think I could get this finished by the end of this project, but I'm not as confident I'll get it done sooner rather than later. So, but I am using it, so that's good. The next item I did use just the once, but I think I am due for another use. I was thinking I would see, I'm scratching my head now. I was thinking that maybe I should wait and get a second use in it, but you know what? I got some use. This is the, what was it for? Chris, tell your past self about. And I wish I'd told myself to look after my hair better. So I have this Beauty Bay Scalp Serum Exfoliate and Cleanse with salicylic acid and pineapple enzyme. I was at the top there. I'm now at this line here. The goal is down here. I'm sorry that the... There we go. So that's the thing. So yeah, I do need another go. But I do use quite a big amount, as you can see, for just one use, because you sort of like put it in all along. So yeah, I do get quite a bit of this used, but it's okay because I have 2 bottles of this. This has gone from 109.27 to 103.47, so quite a lot used in that one use. The next item is for Dan, something you know you should love, but it's the Body Shop Hemp Hard Working Hand Protector Hand Cream for me. I love the Body Shop products, all of them. I love the shower gels, the hand lotions, the body lotions, the body yogurts, body butters, all of it, but not this scent. This scent really turns my stomach. It's not that I'm not hate panning it, because I do like the formula and I do like what it can do to my skin, especially on my feet. I use this on my feet, so they have to get moisturized somehow, and because I've run out of foot socks, you know, moisturizing foot socks at the moment. I need to pick some more up, because that is the best thing for me to moisturize my feet, because I don't have to do anything. I don't have to touch them. So this is a product I don't like the smell of on a part of my body that I don't like touching. So you could say I'm hate panning it, but it's the only way I can get my feet moisturized. So yeah, and I'm not going to waste my nice smelling products on my feet. So kill two birds with, no, don't kill 2 birds with 1 stone. That's animal abuse. But you know, getting 2 things done at the same time. So this has gone from 102.19 to 101.83. That was an awful lot. Winston, what are you on? We call him the little monster because he's a little monster. We should have called him the Tasmanian devil right now. Winston. Oh, he's playing with his catnip toy. Well, not his stars, but he's pinched it. Okay, moving on for the Source, something difficult to pan. I've got this blush from The Balm in Hot Mama, and it looks like this. Not much difference. This is in for, was it 50 uses? Yeah. As of last update, I used it 10 times. It weighed 42.83. I've used it further 2 times, and it now weighs 42.79. I need to step up my game on this, but I have been focusing on a different blush in a different project. So I need to find a way that I can go, right, your turn, your turn, your turn, your turn, kind of thing. I need to share my time much better. Otherwise, I'm never going to hit goal on this. So yeah, that's that product. Next for Zanku, something that you changed your mind on, face palettes. I don't think I need face palettes in my collection. I'd much rather stick to singles in my collection, although I do have some really nice face palettes on my thing, but I certainly don't need different shades of bronzers. That's the thing. This has a lot of bronzers in it. Has more than it started with because I've repressed some in here. But I don't need bronzer palettes. That's what I'm saying. Blush palettes, yeah, happily. Highlighter palettes, possibly if they're different shades, but bronzer palettes, no, because I don't need multiple shades of bronzer. So this was weighing 158.41. Last month it now weighs 157.90. and it's had a further 5 uses this month. I'm trying to hit pan. I'm actually moved on to this shade here. This is the shade that I want to try and hit pan on. I can see the waffle. But no pan as of yet. But I do think that might happen within the next month. Next, we have the Nexus, so a neutral eyeshadow or lipstick. So I chose my MAC Velvet Teddy. This is in To Finish. As of last update, it weighed 8.90. It now weighs 8.85 with just 2 uses. This could be here till the end. I think I need to put this into my little baggie as well and try and get some more use out of it that way. Otherwise, I don't think I'm going to get it done. But yeah, we need to move on that one. And then last but certainly not least, for Andy, a product gone too soon. This product is not going quick enough. This is the Revolution lip gloss in Gone Rogue. And I don't know if you can see the windowing that I can see here, but it is right down here. We are right down at the bottom. This is a lip gloss that I have next to my computer. So when I'm editing and doing things like that in my spare room, then this is the lip product that I am applying. It's the only lip product that I apply when I'm editing. So if I'm editing a lot or I'm in my craft room, in my spare room a lot, then this will get a lot of use. But if I'm sitting in my bedroom reading a lot, then it gets very minimal use. So it has gone from 25.65 to 25.47. So obviously this month I haven't had much use out of it. But again, this really needs to be focused in on. I'm not going to be taking the stopper out of this because it's not my favorite gloss. I'm not doing that anymore. So yeah, I just want to get it to the point where it's not getting product easily out of it. But at the moment, I'm pulling the stick out and it's still pretty full on the dough foot. So yeah, I'll continue to keep working on it. So that is my update for Charmed Project Pan, the power of pan. How are you doing on your project? I am still looking out for all of your videos to try and like and comment on all of your videos to let you know that I have seen them. If I have missed any of your updates, please give me a shout out and say, hey, Nicola, pop on over. I have a video up. Jeez. I have a video up. And I will come and check out your video and cheer you on because I do like to do that. Just as a thank you, really, for taking part in this project pan that I've created. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.